So we're going to go into stalker territory, because that's where I can find all of it, because they always collect all that scrap for me. Hey buddy, where are you putting it all? You're fine. There, I can get some seed pods. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I full? No, I can grab one more. 6. Although now I'm probably too full. I might be able to grab the egg. Nope, inventory full. Okay, so then we head back to the base. There's another tooth. Might as well pick that up since I can't grab much else. Oh, if I could grab something to eat on the way back. Or another tooth. We can always do that. Okay. So we are making good headway. I know. No need to nag. Okay. So we can drop these off. And I don't know how much lubricant I needed, but I can make plenty, I'm sure. Probably only needed 2. Doop doop. Oh, those take 3 each? Wait, really? Did I luck out? It does take 3 each. Haha. It was an accident. So... oh, I need 2 more lubricant and 1 more iron ingot. So I need to get 6 more seed clusters. And away we go. So let's go find me some more glowy yellow seed clusters. I need 6 of them, and that pretty much fills my inventory, and I know that now. There we go. I can get some over here. Right next to all these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 6. Take you. Come here. And you. And B1 is over that way. So I would love to do all this with the sea moth, but it's low on health. I can't fix it yet, but I think I can fix it in the near future with the moon pool, which is the thing that I'm trying to build. And they're still bouncing. That's really weird. I don't know if I've saved since I finished getting all the stuff for the moon pool. I really do have a serious problem in this game with saving. I think it's... I'm used to games just auto-saving all the time nowadays. That's fine, I got... whatever. Poop fish. I wonder if I can get myself a tiny stalker pet. Reaper. I have a stalker pet. I don't know why I care about that. Do that. And then I need 2 more lubricant. And then I gotta go get more titanium. A lot more titanium. Like as much titanium as I can manage. So drop that off. And that, I guess. Okay, so I need to find titanium and lots of it. Which I feel like is usually something you can do in the shallows. There's some wreckage. Take that. I used to be able to scan the extra ones for more titanium, but they seem to have undone that. Or there's just a whole bunch of scannable things I'm not allowed to scan right now. Okay, so we need to find more wreckage. Or titanium. Either or. Pick up you. And continue to look around. Pick up that one. Kinda looks like a good place to look for wreckage, but there's not any here. Again, if these cargo boxes had stuff, they'd be worth going to, but they don't. So this is just a waste of time. I can carry 1, 2, 3 more. Should be the same number as the number of creepvine eggs I can take, or seed clusters. So that was 6, so it should be 6 things of titanium wreckage. I'm brilliant. Or not. At all. Sarcasm. You know, if you happen to know what that is. Okay. So I should be able to fit one more? Yeah. That's a nice deep cliff into the abyss. And there's the wreckage I'm looking for. Take that. Okay. Aurora base. B1. I've gone like exactly the opposite direction of where my stuff is. Inventory full.
30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Going up. So we'll try and do that, and we'll probably round out this session with that. So we'll get that moon pool working. That was cool to see him jumping out of the water like that. Get the moon pool working, dock the ship, and then I think I'll finally be allowed to name it. And maybe I'll leave naming to you guys, or not, we'll see. Maybe I'll name it, and then if you guys post something worthwhile to rename it to, I will switch to that.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
That sounds like a better plan than just leaving it to the internet to be named. Otherwise my ship will wind up being called Hitler Did Nothing Wrong or something like that. And I don't want my ship named that. Okay, and why make the extra titanium? Because I need a ladder now. Okay, and the titanium. But we'll keep the other. Wow, I way overshot. We need those three things, and I need the advanced wiring kit as well. That. So now... Oh, and I need the lubricant. Two. Whoops. So, we have the ability to build it, so let's save so I don't screw this up. So, moon pool. Where, oh where do I build this thing? I'm thinking there. Come on now. Game. Game plays. Okay, so I'm thinking we'll build this here. Taking a while. Okay. Which means now I need a way to connect it. Come on, where can I connect this thing? Is there no way... I find that really hard to believe. Is there not a way to connect this thing to the rest of the base? Why is that? Why is this being picky? Does it just have to be its own little thing?
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I mean, if that's the case, then fine, but that seems really weird. Okay. Oh, it's charging. Did this just drain? Oh, that's great. I have no power. Ah, that's hilarious. I can make a bioreactor. Let's fix this mistake that's just happened. Actually, no. I'll take all that. Oh, that's right. I'm gonna have oxygen problems. I'm gonna drown inside my own house. All the silly things that have happened. Okay. As Sally continues to freak out, let's drop the stuff. Oh, the silly things that happen in these games. Okay. I can't see any creepvine clusters. I need... Shoot, I can't even make the oil if I wanted to at this point. I would need to undock the ship. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave me alone. I don't feel like dealing with you. I wanted to connect the two, and I'm kind of bugged by the fact that I can't. And by kind of, I mean exceedingly bugged. I'm just not sure why it's throwing a hissy fit. Bulkhead, aquarium.
30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to figure out how to fix this. Ooh, what's going on there? Okay. I know. So something weird's going on where my base is like filling with water. And I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. So that worries me just a little. So we're going to go back here. Take advantage of the free med kit. Damage due to weak hull strength. Build reinforcements or remove weak parts. We'll use that. I'm going to take advantage of this thing to make the lubricant. Which should let me build the bioreactor, which takes 4 titanium, which I should be able to get. If I go back to B1. Which hopefully isn't, like, drowning. Is my base being destroyed because I docked it? It's not even connected. Stop that. Oh, that worries me. Oh, it is all underwater now. My base is sinking. Jeez. Exit base. I was not planning on making a problem, but I did. So let's fix this real quick. And by real quick, I mean this is probably taking way longer than expected. 3, 4, I don't know how much it takes. I'm worried that my base is going to get destroyed here. Like, this is becoming a real concern of mine. Uh-oh. Jeez, everything freaks out. Why can I not do that? I need fungal samples?